Hello dear teachers, welcome to Lingua Tea Club. I am Anara and today we'll talk about things you can do when you teach a new class, new students, new course book, new classroom. A first lesson is always scary. You never know what students you may have except their level. Even the level sometimes could be set wrong and you expect one but get another. So, what do you do on your first lesson? What icebreakers or activities you do? Let's see the demo lesson and discuss it afterwards. Hello class, how are you today? Do you know my name? No? Look at the picture. This is my name. Can you guess it? It can be a mineral or fruit. What's my name? Yes, my name is Anara. It's a pomegranate in English. Okay, look at this picture. What is the name? It's a tiger in English. What can it be a Kyrgyz name? Yes, the name is Jolbors. Nice to meet you, Jolbors. Look at another picture. So, you see here flower and a star. What can be the name? Is it connected with flower? It's connected with flower and a star. What can be the name? Let's think. Flower is Gul. Yıldız is a star. Maybe it is Yıldız Gul? No, it's not. So the name is Astra. Astra is a flower and a star means Astra. Like astronomy, it is a learning about stars. The name is Astra. Nice to meet you, Astra. What is the next name? Yes, it's honey in English, and in Kyrgyz the name is Asel. Nice to meet you, Asel. Okay, what's this name? Look, there is a light. A light in English is Svet. Okay, is your name Svetlana? Yes, Svetlana. Nice to meet you, Svetlana. What about this name? You see a moon. Okay, moon is Ay in Kyrgyz. And there is a flower. Is your name Aygul? Yes, nice to meet you, Aygul. So, you can ask your students, find a picture in the internet connected with the names or draw a picture of their names. You can spread different colors papers. Surely, you'll need to set the time limit, otherwise they will look for better pictures or draw for too long. 1 or 2 minutes will be fine. Once they finish drawing the pictures of their names, they have to walk around the class, showing the picture and asking what their name is. For example, what's my name? This is a tower in English. What could be a name? Munara. Is your name Munara? Yes, my name is Munara. Nice to meet you. Certainly, there are names that you won't be able to find a picture or draw. You can vary your instructions, saying that if you cannot draw a picture of your name, you should give a definition of your name, what it means. Don't worry, even elementary level little children will find something to tell about their names. Nowadays, kids are really smart. Don't underestimate their abilities. So this was one thing you can do with names, where your learners had to think how to represent their names in the picture or demonstrate their drawing talent. I can assure you, while drawing their names, learners concentrate on accuracy of their name. They want to show their name in a beautiful manner and thus develop their critical thinking too. Another thing you can do with names is really fun, but at the same time will make your brain work harder than drawing a picture. You can ask your students to tell their names backwards while introducing their names. For example, my name is Lugrim. What? What is Lugrim? But wait, it's backwards. you need to transfer it again backwards to find the name. Lug rim. It's Mirgul. Yes, it is Mirgul. Nice to meet you, Mirgul. Another name. My name is Ayrotkiv. Sorry, can you repeat that, please? Ayrotkiv? Victoria? Yes, nice to meet you, Victoria. Or, hi, my name is Achlurup. Achlurup? Oh my goodness, what is that? The name is Burulcha. Nice to meet you. A man says, my name is Zignuch. Zignuch. Are you Chingiz? Nice to meet you. My name is Lida. Oh, Lida. Adil? Yes, nice to meet you, Adil. This activity is really fun. I have practiced this icebreaker with names several times, and each time you hear lots of laughter. And it helps learners to remember the names faster because the activity raises the positive emotional level of people that captures the moment in the brain and seals the name in the memory. So the next time they come to class, they won't have any problems remembering the names. It is sometimes said the students have been studying together for a definite period of time but don't know each other's names. Well, this activity will help you to make your learners remember the names forever. Can you imagine names called out backwards such as Ырыс келди, Кудай берди, Жаңыл мырза? Oh, that will be really hard to find. Once your students know each other's names, you can continue with some other icebreakers like what's in my bag or what's in my pocket activities. You can ask your students choose one thing from their bag and say what is it and why they carry things with them. Tell these things' importance. It may be a hairbrush, a keychain, a bottle of water, some papers, some tissues, whatever. This activity makes your students talk, ask for new words, thus enlarging their vocabulary. Think why this thing is important. Why do I carry this thing with me? Also, it keeps learners interested in each other because I think it is always curious to know what a person has in his or her bag or pocket and why is it important. For example, I have a sanitizer in my bag and everyone knows why. Everyone knows how important it is to carry a sanitizer with you. But anyway, you need to say why. I have a sanitizer in my bag to keep my hands clean. I'm sure you have lots of other icebreakers for the first class. Don't forget to share with them in our Lingua School website. So, what else do you do in your first class after getting to know and icebreakers? I'm sure you do some classroom rules with your students. It's a perfect opportunity and a case to set up rules on the first lesson. Thus, you can revise the modal verbs such as can, may, have to, and must, or imperatives like be on time, don't be late, do your homework, learn new words. These rules are also good to be accompanied by pictures for beginner level students. Once you've got to know each other and set the rules together with your class, you are ready to go further and there won't be any stress in teaching this new class. New classes, as we all know, are of some stress, but after some icebreakers and fun activities, your students will definitely become open and ready to learn language when you set a friendly atmosphere and show your readiness to help in learning the language. Dear colleagues, that's all for today. I hope you've got some ideas for teaching a very first class with new students, where they don't know you and you don't know them. Thanks for joining me today and keep tuned for next tips. Bye!